Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku hourly analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, November the 2nd, 2010. Well, a change of trend in the first hour of trading, as we thought was likely. In the previous hours trading, we had this very small-bodied, green-bodied candle with a very large shadow on the bottom at the end of this first time downtrend from the previous day. That suggested that there was the sellers lost a lot of commitment as the market traded down to test the bottom of the cloud, and the buyers came in quite strongly and closed the market back up above the cloud. In the first hour of trading, the market actually gapped up, so that gap will provide very strong support for this market if it does continue in the downtrend that began in the second last hour of trading. But back to the first hour, we had a very, very bullish candle for this gap up and the change of trend, and the market testing the resistance that we highlighted, which ranges from around this 1191, 1192 area up to about 1196, 1197. Tested previously. This is the third occasion that this area has been tested, and in the final hour of trading we had the market coming off with the new first time frame downtrend. Now the market succeeded trading off with a bearish engulfing candle, and that's where the body of the current candle here, the second last hour of trading, completely engulfed the body of the previous candle following this first time frame uptrend. And that was actually the candle that did begin the downtrend. We had a change of trend at that point. The final hour of trading, though, was a rather indecisive candle. It was a doji type candle, so there's some doubt as to whether this downtrend in the first time frame will continue. We have good support down around 1191, 1192, and that's the area roughly that the market tested in this final hour, and the sellers lost commitment around that area. They were previously in control in the second last hour of trading and showed some good commitment to taking this market lower, but they failed to follow through with that bearishness. So there is a possibility that the market may trade up again, change trend, and test the area of resistance around roughly 1196, these swing highs here. Now we are trading up above the cloud, so the market retains its overall positive bias, and we can see that we broke out 3 or 4 days ago, and that the cloud has been holding as an area of support on one, roughly two, roughly 3, 4 occasions. The market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and we did have a crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen, and that occurred above the cloud, so that's a bullish signal for this market. Unfortunately, though, the Tenkan-sen has turned flat, and when that turns flat, it tends to attract price action, and that's what's going on here. The market is retracing back towards the Tenkan-sen. So because of that, there still is a possibility that the market will successfully test this area of support, or it will break through to the downside. There could be a breakthrough to the downside, and the market may trade down to around this window and test that area. So in the first hour of trading for this market, it's very important to watch the low of the current candle for a potential lower high and lower low, but certainly the high of the current candle here, which is at 1194, 1195 roughly. And if the market does take out that high in a bullish way, then there is a likelihood that we will test this 1196 region of resistance. So the first hour of trading is very important for this market, but very strong support down below here, but decent resistance up above.